Hello guys, it's Maestro here. Welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you're going to connect your HeadWay broker account to your MT5 account. So HeadWay is a broker that you can use to trade any asset of your choice in forex. Okay, so guys, with that being said, let's quickly get started. So this is the first thing you're going to do after creating an account. If you have not created an account, you can use my link in this video comment section and then get an account for yourself. Okay, so click on this. So you are going to leave it in standard. Okay, so the trading platform, you should choose MT5. Please always use MT5. So your account currency, you can always choose any one of your choice, USD, Euro, or NGN Nigeria. Then for your account leverage, you can always leave it in 1000 or depending on your own preference. Okay, then the password, which is very important, you need to remember the password that you use, because this password is what you're going to use to link it to your MT5. Don't forget that. Very important. So as you're creating it, always have that in mind. So after that, what you just need to do is to come over right here and copy your MT login, and then also know your MT password. The server is here, server IP is also here as well. Okay, right now you will now copy the MT5 login details and then go to your MetaTrader5 app. Okay, so once you go there, click on this horizontal line. Then you are going to see this manage accounts. Click on manage accounts. Now you are going to see this plus icon. Click on that plus icon. Then this find broker, type HeadWay. You can even just type just head. Before you can finish typing it, the HeadWay is going to pop up. Then select the HeadWay. So once you do that, it's going to bring you right here. Always ensure that it's in this option called open a rail account. Now what you just need to do is to paste that login that you copied from HeadWay, paste it here. Then remember the password. Then come over right here and input the password. If you don't know the password, you can go back to that HeadWay. You can see it there and then copy it and paste it there. Then the HeadWay should be HeadWay rail. That is if you're creating a real account. Then go ahead and hit this login. Now you're going to wait for HeadWay or for MT5 to process it, and then your HeadWay account will be ready and set. Now if you go to quotes, you can see your USD Euro, USD JPY, everything is right here. Then you can also go to this plus. You can see the asset, crypto engines, forex indices. They are like everything is right there. You can go ahead and navigate it and check it out. Then if you go to the chart, you can go ahead and check the chart to check the spread and everything right here as well. Okay, so guys, this is how you're going to open a HeadWay account and also to link it to your MetaTrader5 account. In case you don't have a HeadWay account, you can click the link in this video comment section and get a HeadWay account for yourself. Remember, you are always going to get a one-time deposit bonus once you use my referral link. Okay, see my next video guys for more updates. Bye.